Present simple. Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to create and use the present simple tense, the most common verb tense in English. You have to remember that in each verb tense we must know three things. Number one, when we use this verb tense, we use present simple to say repeated actions like habits or routines. For example, I wake up at 8 a.m. every day. We can use present simple to say general truths and permanent situations. For example, the sky is blue. I am a boy. I don't speak German. Number two, how we create a sentence in present simple. There are three groups. 1. If we want to use the verb to be, then we say, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, you are, they are, we are. And in negatives, I am not, you are not, he is not, she is not, it is not, you are not, they are not, we are not. And in questions, am I? Are you? Is he? Is she? Is it? Are you? Are they? Are we? Remember that when we use the verb to be, we always use the verb to be to do the negative sentences. In questions, we just put the verb to be at the beginning of the sentence. 2. If we want to use the verb have got, then we say, I have got, you have got, he has got, she has got, it has got, you have got, they have got, we have got. For negatives, I haven't got, you haven't got, he hasn't got, she hasn't got, you haven't got, they haven't got, we haven't got. And for questions, have I got? Have you got? Has he got? Has she got? Has it got? Have you got? Have they got? Have we got? In the third group, there are all the verbs that are not the verb to be or have got. Please remember these three different groups because it is very important when you do the negatives or interrogative sentences. Let's see how we create the sentences in present simple with verbs that are not the verb to be or the verb have got. Let's start with the positive sentences. Let's use the verb play. We say, I play, you play, but in he, she, it, we say plays. So the subjects he, she, it make the verb end in S. Plural subjects, we, you, and they play. As you see, the different ones are he, she, it, where the verb ends in S. Let's see the negative sentences. To create a negative sentence, we need a word called the auxiliary. Look at the examples. I don't play. We add don't before the verb. You don't play. But in he, she, it, we say, He doesn't play without the S. She doesn't play without the S. And it doesn't play without the S. We don't play, you don't play, they don't play. As you see again that the different ones are he, she, it, where we put doesn't before the verb and leave the verb without the S. Now take a look at the questions. To create a question, we need an auxiliary again. We say, do I play? Do you play? But in he, she, it, we say, does he play? Without the S. Do we play? Do you play? Do they play? Again, the different ones are he, she, it, where we put does instead of do. Watch the WASV lessons for more information on how to create questions. And 3. Which are the typical words from this verb tense? As we use the present simple to tell actions that are repeated, the typical words of the present simple are the words that tell us an action is repeated, like always, sometimes, usually, normally, often, not often, hardly ever, never. All these words are called adverbs of frequency because they tell us how frequently an action is repeated. Please watch the adverbs of frequency video. Other words that tell us a frequency are every day, on Mondays or any other day, on the weekends, or any word of time ending in S means that the action is repeated at that time.